autumn salad is made of fresh kale, crunchy apples, and cranberries. This kale apple salad is perfect for fall and winter dinners where you want something fresh, colorful, and delicious on the menu. Start by removing kale leaves from steams by holding in one hand and strip leaves along the steam towards you or away from you. Then submerge into ice cold water. I love to use my salad spinner to speed up the drying process. Let the kale dry completely. Then roughly chop and add to a large mixing bowl. Peel and julienne carrots, add to a mixing bowl. Then we'll need to julienne some apples. Drizzle with some lemon juice to prevent from turning brown. Add sliced red onions, cranberries, pumpkin seeds, chopped pecans. Drizzle with some homemade citrus balsamic vinaigrette. Toss salad, then transfer salad to a beautiful serving dish and enjoy. Fresh salad is a perfect lunch or side for any meal. This salad can be made ahead of time and stored in an airtight container for up to 3 days. Enjoy this recipe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and I will see you next time. Bye.